Guys, today we're going to be trying new Siglam products. Let's go! Okay guys, I hope you are as excited as I am, because I honestly love trying new makeup products and I love Siglam, honestly. Super affordable and the products are good. First thing we're trying today is the Siglam Concealer, and the reason why I bought this is because of this. Apparently, this concealer is high coverage and can make your eyebrows disappear. I will put a short clip here of me trying this hack for you guys to see how good it works. Okay, I got it, guys. Let's see if this is real. Here it is. Let's blend it. I think I put too much. I went a bit crazy, guys, but you still can see my eyebrow. Still pretty good though. I'm going to be using this for Halloween makeup. Subscribe if you want to see those videos. But now I'm going to try the right way. Honestly, the coverage looks amazing. And this is the only product I have tried prior to this video, just because I saw the hack and I had to try it. But let's see. So let's put a little bit here. I'm not sure if it's going to be too bright for me, but let's give it a go a little bit here as well. I like to put a little bit over here as well. So let's do that in here. And I look beautiful. Something I love doing for my concealer to last is to use a little bit of setting spray before applying it, and after I put a little bit of setting spray as well on the brush and I go over it. This way, your concealer will not move through the whole day. But also, please let it set a couple of minutes. It will look much better. So I let it set for 3 minutes, so let's blend it. Sorry, I need my little bit raw because I don't see anything. Blends good and I look like a cloud. I feel like this has quite a lot of coverage. Is it the best on the market? I don't know. I need to try it. I need to see how it goes through the day, but I don't dislike it. This one I feel is too light for me, but don't worry, I will make it work. Let's try the next product. What do you think this is? This is actually Siglam's Harry Potter palette. This one came to the market a month ago, but I haven't tried yet, so I want to give it a go. This is a Gryffindor palette. I like it. So let's open it together. I'm really excited because I love everything Halloween, and I recently actually did a video on Target's Harry Potter makeup. So let's see if this one is a bit better than that one. Guys, package is 10 out of 10. Oops, something failed. Look at that. Ooh, it's so beautiful. But look at the packaging. It feels so good. It feels expensive. Looks like real leather. Shocked. This is going to be my favorite. But let's see. So we have the clear shadow. It's a white normal shadow. We have the goldy sparkling one. There we go. You can't really appreciate it on camera. Let's see the red one. It's kind of velvet. Ooh, nice. And let's try the brown one. Nice. Let's try them. So I'm actually going to take this one. Just put it over here. I need my mirror. I like tapping. It's nice. It looks really beautiful. And after I like to go in circular motions, I think it looks really beautiful. The camera cannot appreciate it, but actually it's such a beautiful color. It's between velvet, brownish. So nice, guys. I'm really loving this color. On the crease, I'm going to apply this white color just to open the eye a little bit. What I'm going to do actually is to apply a little bit of the concealer again over here. I feel like putting a little bit of concealer first will make the white color pop. So let's go. It's not white, it's kind of like cream color. This is not bad. It's not my favorite actually. It's not really pigmented, so let's get a little bit of this sparkling one. I love sparklings. And put it yes here. There you go. I feel like you can build it up, but yes, not my favorite. at all. Overall, I feel like those two colors are amazing. Those two are my favorite. The colors do not pop, but it's not a bad palette. Those two are so worth it. Let's try next. Guys, I love my lipstick because I bought 4 of them, so let's try them. So the first one we have is from the Harry Potter collection as well. Packaging is just 10 out of 10. Yes, the texture of it, like, you can see that they have put a lot of effort on this packaging, so well done, Siglam. Hopefully the product is amazing. Guys, you need to see this. Are you kidding me? Beautiful! This is actually the Epic Adventure Lipstick Kit. Oh my god. Let's see if it's true. Guys, this is such a beautiful color. Look at this. It's perfection. I'm in love. I'm literally in love. 10 out of 10. It's going to be my next favorite. Seriously. And it's already dry. Less than a minute. It doesn't transfer. I mean, I don't know for how long it will last, but... Let's try now the Siglam Harry Potter Lip Magic Elixir. It's a lip gloss, but look at that. Guys, the camera is not focusing, but it looks like a potion. It says Felix Magic Elixir. Let's give it a go. It's kind of weird to apply. This is how it looks. Stunning. It really looks beautiful, guys. I love this combo. It looks juicy, it looks sparkly. I don't like when they use a lot of glitter, but this is the right amount. It's so subtle, so beautiful. In love. Let's try next. I could bet $1 million that I asked for eyeliners and they are not here, so I need to check my card out. I mean my order. Okay, so this one is basically a stained lip tint. Let's see how it looks, honestly. Beautiful packaging. I feel like Siglam has stepped up the game, and honestly right now they are creating such a good quality products. And no, this is not a sponsor, but it's just my own opinion. Their products are really good. You guys should go and give it a go. So this is how it looks. Ooh, let's see. Nice. Beautiful rosy color. I'm sure I will love this one. It looks like a pencil. It's super cool. Let's see, let's go. This is stronger than I thought. Guys, I don't know if it's me or no, but it looks like I'm just drawing on my lips. Basically that I'm using a real crayon on my lips and I don't really enjoy it. Maybe I just need to try it a few more times because I normally love Siglam products, but not my favorite. I don't really like the application. I don't really like how it looks on my lips. Kind of pinky in some areas. In other areas are not looking that great. It's not kind of consistent. But hey, we tried and I promise I will give it a go again. Hopefully next time I like it more. And the last product is this one. It's a mega lip stack. Again, love packaging. Guys, check this out. Oh, so cute. I'm going to be trying one of those colors. This is the pinkiest one. I find it really fun. I used to have a pencil like this when I was tiny and I loved it. So this is a bit browner, as you can see. And we have the last one over here, a bit more reddish, but not completely red. I think it looks really cool. And honestly, it's so much fun. Let's see the first one. Ooh, pinkish. They're easy to apply, they feel good, kind of really creamy, which is nice. I'm going to actually apply this one on top of the one that I have because I feel that those ones will combine really good. So let's try it. It smells so good, really buttery, love that. Yeah guys, this is it. That's so beautiful, so creamy and buttery. I can smell it, it's so good, love it. 10 out of 10. Honestly, I don't think this one will last for a long time. Overall, my favorite one by far was the Harry Potter lipstick. This combination is just fantastic. I think they couldn't do it better. I'm going to actually be using it on a daily basis. I honestly don't know for how long they will have the Harry Potter edition, so if you wanna go and give it a go, 100% recommend it. The eyeshadows are beautiful, the red one and the brownish one. The other ones, hey, not the best, but still pretty good. I think that the concealer is a great choice for you guys. High coverage, looks really good. Obviously I need to put a base on my face and just put it together, but I do like it. Obviously, in my daily basis, I will not be using it as I use it today. I will also be combining it with a concealer that has a little bit of my skin tone or skin color, but love this. Stop! Guys, look what I found in the floor. I don't know how I got there. Do not ask me. Do not blame me. But this actually cream eyeliner they really wanted to try, so let's try it together. I knew I bought some. Reality is that I thought I bought more. I don't know what happened here. Packaging again, amazing. Can you hear it? So good. It's like they are putting an effort on it. Love it. Woo, nice. Obviously, I already did my wings. So let's try to go over the other one. Just trying to perfect my line. That's really nice. Can you see it? It's pigmented, which I love. I'm just going to try to diffuse it. Kind of doing a smoky eye. Wow. I'm certain you can do a really nice smoky eye with this one. Love that. Really creamy, easy application. Looks really nice. 10 out of 10 as well. I will make sure to get a few more eyeliners next time and we will try them together. Honestly, I love reviewing Siglam products. I think they are amazing. Quality is good, price is affordable, and what else can we ask for in this kind of economy? So if you guys want to see me reviewing more Siglam products, please let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see any other Siglam product maker reviews that I have done, please click on this video. Thank you very much guys for watching, and I see you next time. Bye! To be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in